Hi, it's Miss Sab. I am just trying to let you guys know how to set up your MITs for your multiple intelligence tests. And what you're basically going to do is follow the instructions that are laid out on the paper, but I'm going to point some things out to you and put them in later. Um, you have two videos to watch, which is this one, and then the other video is going to show where to put the things that are actually on the individual pictures so you know what I'm talking about. When you first get your MIT, you're going to be taking the test. Notice the fingers because it's not a real test that you're going to be graded on, but it is a test that's going to help you in your future. Figuring out how you learn is a good step to figuring out to making sure that you are learning. And if it's one of those days where it's in your weakness area, you have to work a little harder. If it's one of those days that's not in your weakness area, you know that you might be able to relax a little bit and enjoy the day a little bit more. Whatever the case may be, whenever you're working with your multiple intelligence test, there's going to be a list of statements. For each statement, you're going to put an answer one, two, three, or four, all the way from mostly disagree all the way up to mostly agree in each of the little white boxes. There is a white box for every line on every statement. Whatever your score is, one, two, three, or four, put it in the white box. When you're done, you're going to add up each column individually, and I'll show you what that looks like on the sample pictures. And when you're done that, you're going to take the numbers that you've added up and transpose them or move them to the final page. Once you've gotten that, you can see what your highest numbers are and your lowest numbers are. And those high and low numbers are going to let you know your strengths and your weaknesses. It's good to know both and never want to know your strength without knowing your weakness because then you can improve. This way you can improve and work harder in the areas that are your weaknesses. And next year, maybe they won't be such a weakness after all. I've seen it happen every year, and I hope it happens with you that if you have a weakness, you can start pulling it up. And then next year, maybe that kind of work will be a little easier to do. Good luck. Thank you very much.